in Evening Gown. And to present the award, may we call on Ma'am Olivia Sapaula. Please come on stage. Mr. Romel Divison and Ma'am Jane Doctolero to present the award. Tinatawagan po natin ang mga presenter ng ating award for Best in Evening Gown, Ma'am Olivia Sapaula, Sir Romel Divison, and Jane Doctolero. San Roque, San Antonio. Ino kaya yan? May nakikita tayong 9, may 6, may 3, may 6, may 11, may 10, may 2, may 6, may 6, may 6. Okay, sino kaya yan? Ang ating Miss Teen San Roque Best in Evening Gown is candidate number. Nagkarakan ba mo? Hindi pa nga eh. Sige, balikin na. Our Best in Evening Gown is candidate number 14, Divine De Jesus. Congratulations, Best in Evening Gown, candidate number 14, Divine De Jesus. You'll be receiving a sash and a certificate and a cash. May pakita dyan drums, DJ. Para sa ating top 5 candidates, pasok ka sa top 5 candidate number 6. Hindi pa rin nagtatapos ang kasiyahan natin ngayong gabi dahil pasok ka rin sa top 5 candidate number 8. May tatlo na lang na natitirang kandidata posibleng makapasok sa top 5 finalists. Sino kaya iyon? Sino yan? Keep on smiling, candidate number. Dahil pasok ka rin sa top 5 finalists, candidate number 10. Dalawang kandidata na posibleng makapasok sa top 5 finalists. At siya ay si candidate number 12. taga San Roque. Team mga taga San Antonio. Isang kandidata na lang ang kukumpleto para sa ating top 5 finalists. At siya ay si candidate number 14. Maraming salamat sa mga hindi tilawag. Pwede na po kayong bumaba. At sa ating top 5 finalists, maaari kayong mag-stay sa inyong mga position. Congratulations, top 5 finalists. Ayan. Hinga muna tayo. Hinga! Nakahinga na ba ang lahat? Handa na ba ang lahat para sa ating final question and answer portion? Kung saan kayo po ay bubunot dito sa atin at bubunot po kayo ng mga judges at ang mga judges po ang magtatanong sa inyong lahat. Base po sa ating punong inampalan, pwede kayong sumagot ng English or Tagalog or Filipino. Diba? Sa mga questions ng ating mga judges. And again, a few reminders to our audience. Please refrain from making noise kapag nagsasagot po ang ating mga candidates. Huwag po tayong mag-ingay, manatili po tayong kalmado at tahimik kapag sumasagot ang ating mga kandidata para po maipahayag nila ng maayos ang kanilang mga saloobin at sagot. Handa na ba ang San Roque at San Antonio? Simulan na natin ang final Q&A ang iyong judges na magtatanong sa iyo. Ang hurado na tatanong kay candidate number 12 ay si judge number 5. Si Miss Regine Bravante.
Good evening. Good evening, candidate number 12. Congratulations for making it here sa top 5. Relax na. So here is your question. At a young age, what do you think is your proudest achievement? Again, sa murang edad, ano sa tingin mo ang pinagmamalaki mo tagumpay?
Thank you for that wonderful question, Ms. Regine. At a young age, ang malaki ko pong achievement is ang pagiging independent at pagiging madiskarte. Kasi dahil po dito, ako po ay unti-unti nang nakakatulong sa aking pamilya, sa aking mama, at nagagawa ko pong gawin ang mga bagay na dating akala ko po'y hindi ko kayang salihan. Dahil po sa diskarte at tiyaga na ito, nakakaya ko pong lagpasan yung mga hamon na dumarating sa buhay ko. Yun lamang po, and I thank you.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 12. Please step in, candidate number 10. judges. Judge number 4. Mr. R.G. Rodelio de Lima.
Hello, candidate number 10.
Hello po.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Okay, my question is, what qualities should the title holder have? What qualities should the title holder have? In Tagalog, ano ang mga katangian ng isang title holder, ng isang binibini?
Para sa akin, ang quality na dapat meron ang isang title holder or ang Miss Teen na kagaya ko ay dapat tapat at dapat na marunong makinig sa ating mga kabataan.
Magulang.
Para sa akin, dapat hindi lang perpekto ang mapipiliin nating title holder. Dahil ang dapat nating piliin na title holder ay hindi lamang ganda ang dapat na mayroon sa kanya. Dapat mayroon ding talino at kakayahan umunawa sa ating mga kabataan. Dahil kung walang kakayahan na umunawa ng kabataan, paano na lamang masusolusyonan ang mga suliranin na kinakaharap natin? Yun lamang. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 10. Maaari ka nang bumagit na candidate number 8 at pumili ng iyong jurado. Ang iyong napiling jurado ay si Judge number 7, Mr. Jancel Palibino.
Hello, Binibini number 8.
Hello po.
How are you?
Okay no.
Here's my question. With everything happening in our country today, where many young people are becoming involved in crimes, bullying, and other unshareable activities that we often see on social media and in the news, I would like to ask you this question. Do you still believe that the youth are the hope of our nation? Ito Tagalogin ko. Sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa ating bansa na halos kabataan ang nasasangkot sa mga krimen, bully, at iba pang hindi ka nais-nais na gawain, at talagang nakikita natin sa social media at sa mabalita, ang tanong ko, naniniwala ka pa ba ng kabataan ang pag-asa ng ating bayan?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for that question, sir. And my answer for that is yes. I believe that kabataans are also the hope of our country. Dahil naniniwala ako na ang kabataan ay meron pa ding mabuting loob at merong respeto sa kapwa at magiging matulungin. And I also believe as long as we have hope, meron tayong pag-asang mabuhay, mangarap at patuloy na maging mabuti sa bawat isa. That's all. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 8. Now step in candidate number 6. Your judge is judge number 2, Mrs. Olivia Sapao.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, candidate number 6.
Good evening.
Congratulations because you have reached this far. Okay.
Thank you.
Here's my question. If you were given the title of Miss Teen San Roque 2026, how would you use your influence as teen to influence the other teenager? Okay? So, if you were given, kung mapagbibigyan ka na manalo sa contest na to, paano mo gagamitin ang influensya mo na magagamit mo sa ibang mga teenager?
Thank you. As someone who strives to live with good intentions, create meaningful decisions, I believe that as a Miss Teen, I want to use this purpose to become the voice of the youth, encouraging them to believe in themselves, because believing in ourselves is the greatest weapon to conquer all. That's all. Thank you.
Maaari ka na pumili ng iyong kuradong magtatanong sa iyo. Si Judge number 1, si Sir Jonathan Villarreal.
Hello. So good evening, candidate number 14. Congratulations. So, pili ka muna, 1 or 2? 2, okay. It is about the environment. So don't worry, ita-translate na siya into Filipino. What do you think is more effective in protecting the environment? Government action or individual responsibility? And why? Again, what do you think is more effective in protecting the environment? Government action or individual responsibility? And why? In Filipino, sa iyong palagay, ano ang mas epektibo sa pangangalaga sa kalikasan? Pagkilos ng pamahalaan o personal na responsibilidad ng bawat isa at bakit?
Thank you. Ang pagpapahalaga sa kalikasan ay ang pagtutulong-tulong ng kapwa-tao para mapalagahan ang ating barangay. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
And that concludes our top 5 finalists. Final question and answer portion. Maraming salamat sa ating nagagandahan at nagsisitalinuhang mga kandidata ng Miss Teen San Roque 2026. Maraming salamat. Pwede muna kayong huminga ng kaunti sa backstage at mag-freshen up dahil maya-maya lamang ay i-announce na natin kung sino ang kokoronahang Miss Teen San Roque 2026. Mag-freshen up, mag-retouch, huminga muna kayo maya-maya. Sa mga supporters ni candidate number 12, ni candidate number 10, siyempre ni candidate number 8, ni candidate number 6, siyempre ni candidate number 14. Hawak ko na ang resulta at hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa dahil late na. Diba? Our third runner-up to present the award for third runner-up, may we call on our judges, I presume. Diba? Simulan na natin sa third runner-up. Sino ba ang third runner-up natin? But before that, may we request our judges. Ayaw mo po yan. The award for third, a bouquet of flowers and a cash together with certificates. Pwede- Yun, pwede na po kayo tumaas yung ating mga magpa-present ng award. Our third runner-up is candidate number Candidate number 14, Divine De Jesus. Picture, picture. And the crown. Get ready your phones. Picture. That's our third runner-up, Miss Divine De Jesus. At para i-award ang ating second runner-up, may we call on Mr. Nehemia Enrico Antonio, Miss Samantha Mino, Miss Regine Bravante, and Mr. Romel Divison to award the second runner-up.
Kasi nagrereklamo ng aking ulo. Ayun na nga ni, kimama niya pa eh. Sumatan ko
All right, our second runner-up is candidate number 10. Candidate number 10 is Atisha Janina Barbulino. She'll be receiving a flower, a certificate, a sash, and a cash, and also a crown. Picture, picture. Iwan. Mrs. Rose Castillo, Mr. John Salpalubino. Mr. Runner-up is candidate number 8. Our first runner-up is candidate number 8, Miss Anizame Borromeo. She will be receiving a crown, a sash, a certificate, and a flower, a bouquet of flowers. At hawak ko na rin ko na rin kung sino ang tatanghaling Miss Teen Zone 1 at Miss Teen San Roque 2026. You may now step 12! Hawak kamay muna kayo dyan. Bali, i-announce ko, ano oras na? 9:34, i-announce na mga alauna, ano na? Alauna na ano? Magturog-turog mo na. Kay Miss Teen Zone 1. Ibig sabihin, ang hindi ko natawag, siya ang Miss Teen San Roque 2026. Halinaw po. To present the award for Miss Teen Zone 1, may we call on Rainiel Fabia, Mr. Kenneth Salting, SK Kagawad, Lawrence Isayani, and Rachel Leonardo. To present the award, again, ang unang pangalan o numero na babanggitin ko ay Miss Teen Zone 1 2026. At ang matitira o ang panghuli ay siya ang Miss Teen San Roque 2026. At ang Miss Teen Zone 1 2026, walang iba ay si candidate number 12. Miss Teen San Roque 2026 ay si candidate number 6, Jamaica Panato. Maraming salamat, candidate number 12. And to present the award for Miss Teen San Roque 2026, may we call on Juster Calubad, SK Kagawad, LJ Isayane, Mr. RJ Rodelio de Lima, reigning Miss Teen 2017, Alexis De Jesus, and si Ma'am Virgie Parte. Our Miss Teen San Roque 2026 is candidate number 6, Jamaica Panato. Congratulations sa ating 2026 Miss Teen San Roque. Congratulations to our winners, and may we call on our judges to please come on stage for photo opportunity. Yon. Again, congratulations to our winners. There you have it. Congratulations to all the candidates. Our newly crowned Miss Teen San Roque 2026, our runner-ups, and all our special awardees. May tonight remind us that every young woman has a story to tell, a dream to pursue, and a voice worth hearing. Once again, thank you for joining us at Miss Teen San Roque 2026. I am your host, this is Chris, and it has been my pleasure to be part of this
Yawi, palit kayo, palit kayo, Yaw,
Good
palit
evening,
kayo,
everyone, and
palit.
congratulations to our new queen. Mabuhay ang San